I remember when we used to say, in the government you're entrenched down, and then Georgie would make a firelight, like a burning through the night. Then we would go, corn in forage, of each I share with you. My feet is my only courage, so I got to push on through. And what I'm gonna say, everything's gonna be alright.
Georgie from the Bob Marley classic No Woman No Cry has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. It's such a wonderful feeling to be back inside the studios of Links 007 TV. I've been off the entire week doing some things, and it's a bit busy, so I've not been on base with you guys as I would want to. But on a bit of sad note and a bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on the program is that a close associate of our great reggae star Bob Marley has passed away, and that is Georgie Headley Robinson. So Georgie passed away just a few hours ago, and I must say this has sent shockwave through the entire music fraternity, as Georgie was one of those people that was featured in Bob Marley classic song No Woman No Cry, and Georgie would have been a very close friend of Bob Marley throughout his initial musical career and the set that brought Bob Marley this fame. And Georgie would have been there before Bob Marley got the worldwide recognition that he deserved for his classic songs, which still remain on the hearts and minds of many. So we're about now to update you with the latest that we have in relation to this matter. But we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends of Georgie. This song is like a classic song, No Woman No Cry, and Bob Marley is one of our greatest music pioneer, if not the greatest music pioneer to ever grace outside of Jamaica, and he has gotten a worldwide recognition for his musical endeavors. And I can tell you, I know that the family and friends of Georgie right now, they are lost for words based on this loss of Georgie. And I can tell you, I can just imagine what they're going through at this time, as this individual would have been around Bob Marley through his initial musical career, and the two would have meshed together in the early stage of his development within the music space itself. But as I said before, it's a very sad moment right now, and we're just going to update you with the latest we have in relation to this matter. So the man featured in Bob Marley No Woman No Cry classic song, popularly known as Georgie, has passed away. George Headley Robinson, who Bob Marley made the fire light and the logwood burning through the night, died on Wednesday night. He was aged 84 years old. The exact cause of his death is not yet available, but according to Rastafarian matriarch Lona Wainwright, he will be sadly missed. Georgie was always a humble man who wanted to hear positive music, and we will mourn him in dignity. He lived well, and we will always honor him, said Wainwright. So that was just an insight into the life of Georgie, and I can tell you that this individual name would forever be remembered, as the Bob Marley classic songs still continue to play around the world, especially this one, No Woman No Cry, which featured Georgie. And I can tell you that this is just such an emotional moment right now for everyone around the world who would have known Georgie and would have been one of those instrumental figures in the early stage of the musical development of our great iconic star Bob Marley. And we here at Links 007 TV once more just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends of this musical icon within the music space itself. And we just want to say that he has lived the life, and he has lived the life well, and his name will forever rest on the hearts and minds of many for years to come. So this is where we're going to leave this report for now. This has been Links 007 TV, and this is where we say so long for now. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV. And if it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report.
I remember when we used to say, in the government you're in Frenchtown, and then Georgie would make a firelight, like a burning through the night. Then we would go, corn in forage, of each I share with you. My feet is my only courage, so I got to push on through. And what I'm gonna say, everything's gonna be alright. 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 Everything's gonna be alright.